How to install the screen protector. 1. First check whether the alignment film is well secured on the 4 points. 2. Place your phone on the non-slip pad. 3. Clean the screen with a wet wipe. 4. Clean the screen with a cloth and remove remaining dust with a dust absorber. 5. Take the alignment tray. Find out the top mark on it. 6. Pull up the yellow sticker and remove the protective film. Fit the tray onto your phone. Press the 4 corners to make sure they fit perfectly. 7. Remove the label on surface. Pull up the circle and slide it slowly to the bottom. 8. Remove the alignment tray and then the film. 9. In case of bubbles. In case of bubbles, you can remove them by pushing them to the edges. Or you can lift up the bubble side while pressing the other side with your fingers. Then put it down to push the bubble to the corner. Alignment tray assembling method. 1. Fix the film onto the 4 locating points of alignment tray. 2. Place the orange circle at the top side of alignment tray. 3. Hold the film onto the alignment tray with your fingers. Meanwhile, paste the sticker along the reserved hole.